all of you. On behalf of Shri IPS, Director General CISF, I extend a warm welcome to members of the media and thank you for joining us today. The CISF Central Industrial Security Force is one of India's premier central armed police forces entrusted with the security of the nation's critical infrastructure and economic lifelines. With a sanctioned strength of approximately 2.2 lakh personnel, CISF today stands as the world's largest industrial security force. Over the years, CISF has witnessed unprecedented growth in its size, responsibilities, and geographical reach. This expansion is a clear reflection of the evolving security needs of a rapidly developing India. Today, CISF is entrusted with the securing airports, seaports, metro systems, power plants, refineries, steel plants, space and nuclear installations, dams and highly sensitive government buildings across the country, including key central government establishments in Delhi and other major cities. In addition, the responsibility of securing major upcoming national infrastructure projects such as Jewar International Airport and Navi Mumbai International Airport has also been assigned to CISF, underscoring the nation's deep trust and confidence in the force. The Central Industrial Security Force is steadily building sectoral specialization to meet the distinct security needs of critical domains. At airports, CISF is adopting advanced technologies and specialized quality control mechanisms like IQCU to strengthen aviation security. Our personnel deployed for Parliament security are being trained to handle diverse and high-impact contingencies like drone, chemical and biological attacks, while those guarding metro systems such as Delhi Metro Rail Corporation operate through modern integrated command and control centers. CISF also secures some of the nation's most sensitive jails in Jammu and Kashmir, contributes to port security through standardized training of private security personnel, and plays an enhanced role in curbing illegal coal mining and theft, following recent amendments to the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957, reflecting a clear shift towards specialized, integrated, and future-ready security solutions. CISF also maintains a strong and effective presence in the domain of coastal and maritime security. The force secures 14 port units across coastal states, including one strategically vital port unit located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. At present, CISF is responsible for the security of all 12 major ports in the country. In addition, CISF has recently been designated as a recognized security organization, RSO, for port security. This recognition places CISF at the center of national efforts to strengthen port-led development, maritime trade, and coastal infrastructure in India. This role aligns with the government's special emphasis on the blue economy, where secure ports and resilient coastlines are essential for economic growth, facilitation of trade, and overall national strength.
For an expanded and more elaborate second edition, the CISF will organize the CISF Vande Mataram Coastal Cyclothon 2026 from 28th January to 22nd February 2026 as part of the commemoration of 150 years of Vande Mataram. The upcoming cyclothon will be a 25-day coastal outreach initiative covering the entirety of India's coastline. 130 CISF cyclists, 65 men and 65 women, will traverse approximately 6,500 kilometers across 9 coastal states, engaging coastal communities, youth students, local stakeholders and institutions along India's eastern and western seaboards. CISF cyclists will pedal their way through historical sites such as Konark and Mamallapuram, economic nerve centers such as Mumbai and Chennai, as well as cultural powerhouses like Puducherry, Goa and Mangalore. Along their way, CISF cyclists would share with communities patriotic fervor and cherish the ideals of India's freedom movement as a mark of celebration of 150 years of Vande Mataram. A defining feature of Cyclothon 2026 will be its deep community engagement, interactions to be held with diverse fishing communities across the coastline, including traditional fisher groups from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. These interactions will focus on sensitization regarding vessel registration, tracking systems, maritime boundary awareness, drug menace, women trafficking, smuggling, and the 24/7 search and rescue helpline 1554. CISF Coastal Cyclothon 2026 aspires to integrate the messages of coastal security, ecological security, and national pride to effectively aid the vision of Vikasit Bharat by 2047. In this endeavor, CISF will adopt 52 coastal villages and create awareness about the existing employment avenues for youth in India's security forces. A key aspect would be the presence of female cyclists aimed at inspiring the young minds of girls. The Cyclothon 2026 also aligns with and amplifies government's broader coastal security initiatives, including Operation SAZEC, strengthening the community policing in coordination with coastal police stations. It will augment the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Sagar, security and growth for all in the region, a geostrategic policy focused on the Indian Oceanic region. Anchored in the theme Surakshit Tat Samudra Bharat, the Cyclothon 2026 seeks to further strengthen public awareness, people's participation, and shared responsibility in coastal security. The Cyclothon also highlights a critical linkage that secure coastlines are fundamental to economic prosperity. Coastal security enables safe trade, sustainable fisheries, tourism growth, and port-led development, making it a cornerstone of national progress. Jai Hind.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.